Plug in. Oh, wait.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys, and if you want to learn how to make money with your tech, get some tips, tricks, see some cool projects and some how-to videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a thing when we release a new video. Okay guys, well on Monday we had some problems with our stream, and so we did an unboxing video live during that stream of our new 4K camera. And so we thought we'd cut that out and throw that up here. Now, the first couple of minutes, because of the stream issues, were choppy, so we'll leave a link in the description on how to jump past that. You don't really miss a whole lot, but the audio's there, but the video quality was really choppy. But anyway, guys, we will do a proper review of this camera once we've used it for a little while. But we were excited. We'd never opened it before, and so we wanted to show you guys. And make sure you make fun of Mitch because he does some really funny stuff in this video. And from there, guys, let's check it out. There you go. Wow.
Yes. Fancy.
Yep. The autofill.
Yeah, and then, I got people from all over the place always using my computer and craziness. Woohoo! Lens cleaning cloth.
I don't think I
Microfiber.
ever use your computer.
Huh?
So I don't ever use your computer.
Well, that's good, because you got your own. Why would you use mine?
True.
And a mini HDMI to a HDMI. Yes, yes. Fancy.
What do you got there? Okay.
The book. Thick book.
Thick book?
And all of it's in Japanese.
Is it really?
No.
I was like, it is from China, so I would believe that one.
And there's a piece of paper. It's down there on the floor now. There.
It hit the floor. Get a little bit better grab.
And then, nice little, this is just for the microphone user guide, so our audio should quit being so
Crappy.
crappy. Oh, and we can use that microphone direct on a computer. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's a standalone. I knew that. But the only thing that I read, I did actually read it a little bit. Well, you were sitting right here. We read through this.
Yeah, I know. And a plastic circle. I don't know what the heck that's going to be for. We'll hand that off screen. All right, a new battery for my motherboard. Just what I needed. CR 2023.
I don't think so.
What? That's not for my motherboard?
No.
Nice little expandable 3.5. Heck yeah.
For the microphone.
You think?
I'm sure that's what that's for.
No, I don't think those are used in audio devices.
Oh, they're not using audio device?
But since we're back up and running, let's get right back to it. What do we have here?
Awesome. Well, that is the zoom, or the wide.
Oh, the wide angle lens. That's right.
Bet you that's the wide angle lens. Hold
That would
thing
make
out, take a
sense.
look
I'm
at it.
up.
Hurry up. I'm excited. I want to see it. Show them all the little details before. Yep, that's what that got to be.
All right, so big wide angle lens cap here. Fanciness. Let's should be able to do this now. So
Uh-oh. We're going to find out.
all right, nice fancy wide angle, perfectly clean. Probably not going to stay that way, but we'll try.
Definitely not going to stay that way, I can promise. I know it's going to get dirty at some point, but
So
hopefully.
got that back on now. Oh, and that screws on.
Do you know what you're doing?
No idea.
Okay. I don't. Yeah, it screws on.
And
It goes on.
fancy, yeah. Fancy. I don't think we've ever had anything.
As he drops it on the ground.
I caught it and then hit it on the table.
Oh my. Haven't even got to use it yet, and he's trying to break it.
Hey, I'd say it came in damaged. No, I wouldn't. That would be unethical. It was a joke. hook this up and see how we sound. That's kind of cool. Yeah, it's got some switches up there that do stuff. Maybe.
Some switches up there that do stuff.
Hey, this is where the battery goes. CR2032.
There it is. Oh,
The microphone has a battery?
yeah, well, yeah.
Why does the microphone have a battery? Don't shake your head at me. They're not making fun of me. You shouldn't be either.
Why would the microphone have a battery?
Microphone doesn't need a battery. This microphone doesn't have a battery.
No.
And they probably are making fun of me. They're just laughing so hard they can't type, so.
Probably.
Or we lost them all, and so they're not in chat. They can't tell us.
So they, and yeah, we can't see, so. Doesn't look like we don't, but. Can you put a battery in there?
No.
I seen the light flash.
But it doesn't stay on.
Did you read the instructions and know if it's supposed to stay?
Did I read the instructions? Come on now. Here, you play with that. I'm gonna play with this. Now for the fanciful part. Woo. Drop it. It flashes on when you switch it on there, but oh my gosh, it doesn't even fit in the case. It's so
Tiny? Yeah, battery for your gain. So maybe the audio off the camera won't be so crappy and we can actually use it.
Haha. And it's completely dead? Are you serious? Are you freaking kidding me? Completely freaking dead.
Show them the camera.
Well, and it's got this fanciful feature there, and this will
Should go on the top
slide
there.
out. It's just a little plastic cover. That doesn't do anything, so don't yell at me. Ha-ha. And that. Ha, 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 ha.
So there it be. That's everything out of the box,
That is everything out of the box.
but the battery's completely dead.
But the battery is completely dead. But we can fix that. I have the power.
Are you sure you have?
Hey,
the
don't
phone?
laugh at me. Thank you, Waco. I'm excited about it. Let's see if we can switch our string. Yeah, I know. With all the problems we've had,
You're gonna try to switch stream with everything.
you lose the fast charger. I'm stealing it.
Oh, I lose the fast charger. Okay.
Yeah. If you guys ever go looking for phone chargers and you just need like the wall box to the USB, get one that is the Qualcomm USB Quick Charge 3. Them things are nice.
Can you find where it plugs in?
I thought it showed us in the video, but I don't recall where. Battery plug in. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, if you can see that nice little plastic covering the
Hey, at least you know we haven't looked at it before now.
That was not planned. Totally not scripted.
But completely funny.
A little bit. Hey, does it come on now? Hey, we got lights and noises and. Whee. Oh, and I found where the USB plugs in. Maybe. Ha ha! Ah! Can you see the camera? You can see? There's my... Oh, wait. You can't see that. So, I wonder, will it run through that? You think? Wait, what?
What are you trying to do?
I'm playing. They're having a good time. The charge light is red and it's not... Oh, wait, now it is charging.
Okay.
Now I'm trying to plug this in. Maybe. I think that USB's a virgin.
Have you not figured out the combination lock on the USB yet?
There we go. Haha. Mass storage or PC camera. It does have the option. Awesome.
Uh-oh. Toot.
Okay, so now let's play with these. Let's add a...
There, pass it.
A... Hold on. A video capture device, and we're going to add awesome camera. Okay. Ha ha! Oh, I like.
Show us big fat head here. Quality looks a little bit better. Not as grainy.
What does this do? Nothing?
He just clicking. He don't know what he's doing. He's just
No.
clicking.
Well, no, I don't know what... Whoa!
Oh, there you go. It's something to do with black and white. Okay.
Check it out, Beavis. Those orange eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like that. Let's go back to original.
Yeah, I think the original was better.
And
Yeah.
in fact, let's get rid of that filter altogether.
Sorry, he's playing with the LUT filter and has no idea what he's doing.
Not at all. Chroma key.
And I did say LUT as an LUT.
I don't get what the chroma key does either.
The what?
The chroma key? CHROMA key? Anybody on here that knows anything about video editing / stuff?
About videos, editing? What are you trying to say? You're not a video person?
I'm not a videographer.
Yeah, that was the word I was looking for.
It's too clear. That's the problem with the clearness. It's clear.
Whoa. No, that...
You guys like... Whoa.
What?
I don't know. Magenta. Ah.
This is the issue of him having control.
Yeah, I'm having fun, alright? If you guys aren't having a good time, then let me know and I'll quit messing... Whoa. Quit messing with the camera and... Too much contrast. Not
Goth.
enough,
Yeah,
right?
that was a goth look. Oh, wow. Actually, that last one, that's too dark.
He said goth. He wanted me to go goth. I was trying to go goth.
No, he said that last one was goth.
Oh.
When you had yourself all black lips and black and white. We're not back in the oldies here. We're not, you know. We're not back in the olden days. Black and white is cool for some stuff. However,
That's kind of cool look. Got most of the background all blacked out. And
yeah.
black shirt, black lips, haha. How you want me to go back to black shirt, black lips? I think that was this one. Whoa, that wasn't it.
That wouldn't. Well, Andy Griffith. Yep, there you go.
All right, get rid of that. Yes. Color correction.
Oh no. You're just gonna play with every filter on there, aren't you?
Are you guys having fun? Is Big the only one we got left? Did I scare all the rest of them
You
away?
probably scared everybody else away. Everybody's like,
Michael even left? Waco?
forget this dude. We are gone.
You guys not down for the new camera? You guys took off on us or what?
You took off on you acting like a goofball.
Well, if they didn't see that coming, then, I mean, come on.
Okay, I'll give you that. We all know that you're a little goofy. But you notice something I've noticed?
What's that?
Our stream hasn't went to crap since you turned off Cache Magnet.
Whoa. That's kind of cool.
That's a little different. You look like you're like... Like you went demon all of a sudden.
Big D's the only one left, nothing else to do. That's,
Okay, well...
well, sorry you don't have a life, bud, but neither do I, so... Don't take offense to that. Like I said, I don't either.
Oh, wow.
All right, let's quit playing with the camera and get back to business at hand.
Okay, guys, I hope this was as much fun for you as it was for us. And that's all we got for today. So remember, today's what you make it. Let's make it a good one.